What happened there,
Let me
Judge?
check that out. Thank you for checking into it. On the record in BU 2025 CR 554, State of Kansas versus Amanda Dawn Plummer. Please announce appearances.
Thank you, Your Honor. Joseph Baca appearing for the state.
Now, Ms. Plummer, you're charged with one count of disorderly conduct, brawling or fighting, and I'm showing your attorney of record is Christopher John Pate, but I need to find out. Let's see.
It's Pate.
December 22nd of 25. It looks like I did appoint.
Not a conflict of interest.
Well, hang on. You've had several attorneys appointed. This one does show Shannon Cooper in December. Before Shannon Cooper, well, that was December 22nd. Then December 26th, there's another one. Let's see who was December 22nd. That's when Mr. McClendon was appointed. You think that Mr. McClendon's been replaced too? I'm not seeing that. Jennifer, you're going to need to help me here because there's at least 3 attorneys appointed on this case.
I am looking, Your Honor, trying to weed through it.
It's going to take some weeding. We start getting multiple, 1 or 2 we can figure out.
I show Chris Pate was possibly the last attorney that appeared for her.
And you think it's Chris Pate also, Mr. Baca? Do you have any information on that?
And Your Honor, I'm going through that as well. This is Miss Norris's case, and there has been some correspondence. I do believe it was Mr. Pate. It does also look like it was worked out where
Mr.
a
Gertz, are you ready
dismissal would
on
be filed upon
Frazier?
payment of court costs. I was not sure if the court
Okay.
had a copy of that dismissal.
Yes, or-
What about Jace
It was
Stovall?
recently done July 10th. I only have the
I'll be back.
draft rather than a file stamped copy.
I don't see any entries after July 7. There was a misdemeanor pre-trial docket with Attorney Pate, as someone said he was the last one that appeared with him, and they set it over till today. So where is Mr. Pate?
My guess is because of that discussion and the dismissal, that probably explains his absence. Your Honor, if the court does want to set this over just for a small amount of time to make sure that dismissal gets up there, we could certainly do that. I'd have no objection to that.
All right. Well, Mr. McClendon, I do. It does look like you have been replaced. Looks like you were last here January 2nd, but Mr. Pate's been here multiple times since. So I think you're off the hook. I'm going to let you go, Mr. McClendon. I'm not sure why Mr. Pate isn't here today because it looks like he was present when this was set over to today, but I'm going to continue this at the defendant's request so they can finish whatever they're doing. What's my next date, Jennifer?
Your next available is going to be September 28th, Your Honor.
September 28th at 9.
No.
That is correct.
Ms. Plummer.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was expecting this to be done the 22nd.
Settle down. Now, here's the deal. Your attorney is working, Mr. Baca said your attorney is working with the prosecutor assigned to the case. It's not Mr. Baca. He's just filling in for this hearing today. He thinks they have an agreement worked out. And they may, if he told you it was going to be done by the 22nd, it probably will be.
No, June 22nd.
All right. Well, contact your attorney and see what's going on. It doesn't mean that you're going to be put out anymore because it could be that they put that journal entry, filed it, and I just haven't had a chance to look at it and approve it. I don't know. But before you stress...
I've been homeless for 6 months because of this. Until this
Ma'am?
is taken care of, I can't do anything. I don't even
Look.
have my property.
I don't know how you got into these charges, but I didn't go out and look for you. It says disorderly
I'm
conduct,
the
brawling,
victim.
or fighting. I didn't go looking for you. Mr.
I understand that, ma'am.
No,
I'm the victim.
okay. All right, well, you need to go talk to your attorney about that then. And hopefully, if you have a plea agreement worked out, it won't fall apart on you, but I can't do any more for you other than to tell you this is set over to September 28th. My best guess is your attorney's on top of this and it'll probably be dismissed so you won't have to come back. But it won't do either one of us any good to get into this between ourselves, okay? Wouldn't you agree that you need to just call your attorney and see what he has going on?
So I have to wait till September to get my property? Because
That is not what I said.
he's currently having people clean the house and they're throwing my property away.
Your attorney is?
No, the gentleman that
The guy you were fighting with, your husband, boyfriend, or whoever you were living with. All
Yes.
right. Go call your attorney. That's your starting point. Your attorney, Mr. Pate, is usually right on top of things, so I bet he is on this too. You've got
the
several
out of office reply.
Well, you're not his only client.
I understand.
So, and you've had several different attorneys, so call Mr. Pate. Tell him that I've set this over to September 28th at 9 a.m., but he knows how to resolve this between now and then if he can. If he can. But you have to work with him so he can help you. Okay, I'm going to let you go. So why don't you close out and go call your attorney?
When is my next court date?
September 28th, 9 a.m. But don't start fighting with your attorney. I don't want to have to get you another attorney. That'll just delay things again. Work with your attorney. Thank you, Miss Plummer. You may go. We'll be in recess on.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Very good.
So you're Corbin Rayleigh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rayleigh, you were here just last week or the week before,
Yes, ma'am.
and you pled guilty to an offense, and you were told to go to the probation department and do a pre-sentence report.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've gotten a memo from them that has some unfortunate information in here about how you acted while you were there and visiting with them.
Yes, ma'am. I was over the phone when the lady was arguing and stuff. I just wanted the information on when I was supposed to meet the dude. That was it. And
That's not how this reads.
they
They were so frustrated with you that they said they will not do a pre-sentence report while you're on bond. So do you know what that means?
my bond had to be paid off.
No, that means I'm going to revoke your bond
Okay.
and you're going to go to jail.
Yeah.
And then they're going to come to the jail and do the pre-sentence report. And you're going to be respectful to them. Or I don't have to go along with this plea agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
So listen, it's time to get a whole different attitude about all of this. I understand. I remember now when you were here, you don't like the whole situation.
No,
Hang on, don't overtalk me because that's going to show me what you're doing to them. Okay. Now it's just the time to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And just do what you're told. There's not an excuse for what you did. That's not, you didn't just try to ask for some information. Okay. They wouldn't have sent this. They're very, very patient.
I just want to let you know I got a whole different view about it on the whole situation now too. I just got to meet my son for the first time on Friday. So
Well, this is very unfortunate.
Yeah.
So but here's the thing. There's no reason for you to still not get this probation, but I don't have a choice now but to get this pre-sentence report done. So I'm going to, hang on, I'm going to revoke your bond. In your case at this time, you're going to go with the bailiff. Probation's going to come to the jail. They're going to do this pre-sentence report, probably not today.
do I get a new bond today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that you see where I'm.
Yeah,
the
can
problem-
we just like revoke the deal and take it to trial? I can't afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why?
Yeah,
Because, do you want me to read the memo?
the whole thing. Yeah, can we play the voice recordings of the phone call in here today too, if that's the case? Because if you're just gonna believe what she says, then I believe I have the right to fight on behalf of what I have to say, and we need to be able to play those phone recordings.
You're going to go do that. You're going to go do that
Of course,
pre-sentence
we're not gonna play
report.
phone recordings today.
And you're gonna go and hopefully be respectful and hopefully get this probation and not ruin your life over this. This is very-
How long do you think I'll be in
It's
there?
a very temporary situation. Mr. Rojas can come back and talk to you. I'm revoking your bond at this time. I find it's in the best interest until sentencing that there not be a bond. You can go back with the bailiff.
Question.
Was he? Well, and I don't know, maybe